Welcome to Ride Revolution. Today, we dive into the thrilling world of the 2025 Yamaha RD500 V4, a bike that blends cutting-edge technology with the legendary performance of Yamaha's racing heritage. Get ready to explore what makes this machine a true marvel on two wheels. The RD500 V4 continues Yamaha's legacy in the RD series, a line known for pushing the boundaries of performance and engineering. Inspired by the iconic Road 350, this new V4 version takes inspiration from Yamaha's racing success, particularly their dominance in Grand Prix motorcycle racing. The RD500 V4 is designed for enthusiasts who crave an experience that's not only fast but packed with rich history. At the heart of the RD500 V4 lies a powerful 499cc V4 engine, delivering exceptional performance. This two-stroke powerhouse produces mind-blowing acceleration and top-tier speed, thanks to Yamaha's advanced tuning and fuel injection systems. The combination of lightweight design and high-revving engine ensures it offers an adrenaline-packed ride that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. The chassis of the RD500 V4 has been meticulously crafted to offer precision handling, ensuring you have total control even at top speeds. With a balance of modern materials and lightweight construction, the bike is agile on both tight corners and open roads. The advanced suspension system further enhances comfort and stability, giving riders confidence in any condition. Yamaha has equipped the RD500 V4 with state-of-the-art electronics to complement its raw performance. From ride modes that adjust power delivery to traction control and advanced braking systems, it combines old-school excitement with modern innovation. The bike also features a full digital dash, providing riders with vital data at a glance, making it as functional as it is thrilling. The 2025 Yamaha RD500 V4 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It offers a unique blend of heritage, modern performance, and Yamaha's racing pedigree. For those seeking the ultimate riding experience, this bike is sure to leave an unforgettable impression. Be sure to subscribe to Ride Revolution for more reviews and in-depth looks at the latest in the motorcycle world.